What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. A quick update on the market and what has been going on, because today is a very crazy day in the crypto market. We are seeing Ethereum up 22%, almost, or getting very close to $1,000. How long people have been waiting for this? For how long people have been waiting for this? What an insane day, to be honest. When you look back at this, oh my God, this is very insane. So yeah, let's get started. So what I will start with first, I will start with a comparison between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the coin that I am looking to, day trade longs is Ethereum. So yeah, I really feel Ethereum is lagging behind Bitcoin a lot. Bitcoin might start calming down here. We might see Bitcoin calm down a little bit, and money entering into altcoins. And I will explain this in a second and the reason behind it. So first of all, let me compare Ethereum to Bitcoin, and the pretty massive upside potential for Ethereum. So Ethereum is here in comparison to Bitcoin. We are just starting the parabolic rise. So what I am going to do, I'm not going to, my strategy for Ethereum is going to be like this. I'm going to futures trade this one, going to actually buy dips and just add on every single dip. Okay, so of course I'm going to look for long setups. Okay, and I would enter trades, take some profits, and keep the position running. Only longs. Okay, this is only valid for longs. So this is the kind of strategy that I am going to implement. Find long entries, snap or get some profits. When the position is in profit, I take profits a little bit and keep it running. Today I had a long position here on Ethereum. Just after this drop, we did see a 0.618 Fibonacci here. Now this was first confluence. I entered a long, closed some around here. Stop loss a little bit above entry just to keep myself safe. So this is the trade right here that I gave. I didn't really give because it happened a little bit fast. So yeah, what I am looking for right now, as I said, I am extremely interested in Ethereum longs, but of course I'm not going to buy it when it pumps. I am only going to buy setups, such as a drop to a Fibonacci, a drop to a golden pocket, and enter longs. Okay. I would also like to hold some spot on a possible drop. If we see a drop, I'm most likely going to enter into some spot positions also. But yeah, this is looking very nice, to be honest. So as I said, Ethereum right now at this point, I really see no reason to short. Like, this candle is so beautiful, and looking at Bitcoin, that candle on Ethereum looks like somewhere around here. So imagine, simply imagine you still have a lot of room to go up. So basically there is really no reason to short, in my opinion. Ethereum could still go 100% up from here. But okay, getting over Ethereum and the reason why I am bullish. So number one, correlation with Bitcoin. Number two, of course, on the BTC chart here, it's lagging behind massively. Somehow some kind of ABC correction, giving us a pretty nice shoulder, head, and possible shoulder right here to give us a push up in price. Okay. Other than this, I'm pretty bullish on Ethereum right now. We have this as a pretty massive support. Once we start reclaiming this properly, I really feel Ethereum will really outperform Bitcoin. And the reason why right now I'm simply not very interested in BTC longs. Okay, I think for some time, that longing Bitcoin might not be the best decision right now. Okay, so right now, after this parabolic rise and after this very cool thing that I found out that I looked at and what I can see here on the logarithmic chart is a very nice parallel channel that has been going on. So let me plot this channel and take a look. Take a look how perfect this channel is. Even this manipulative push down, or this black swan event that happened when prices crashed, we saw a very rapid crash, but then a pullback up. But look at this channel right here being respected perfectly. Also, take a look, okay, how we bounced off, how we rejected the middle of the channel and then broke above it, and we really went up. So this tells me that this channel is in play. And what could happen here, Bitcoin might not be able to break it, straightforward. Maybe chill a little bit, give us some time or some pullbacks and money entering into altcoins. This is very important. Now let me show you something else. Bitcoin dominance. Look at this resistance right here. Look where the Bitcoin dominance is. Yes, at a key resistance level. Okay, so why would I be longing Bitcoin right now? There is simply no reason to long Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance shows the percentage of, so right now Bitcoin is 71% of the crypto market cap. Okay, this is a lot. Now, because right now price is at a resistance, if this really starts pulling back down, I mean, just imagine how much money would be entering into altcoins. This is simply insane. The amount of money that will be entering altcoins is mind-boggling, to be honest. And we're going to see some very, very big moves up on altcoins. I'm pretty sure of that. So this is what I think about Bitcoin right now at a very key resistance level. Also want to highlight a very nice thing that I gave this morning when I analyzed Bitcoin. It was on this chart. So I gave this. Previous day point of control, previous day value area high and very area low. Look how perfect. First let me show you this. Okay, so I gave them to the team right here, the levels that I'm watching, and look how perfect this previous day point of control was. It gave us a pretty nice push up. So I'm going to wait for tomorrow to plot another point of control and give it to you guys in the Discord. So right now what I am looking for, I'm looking for swing trades on altcoins. Not interested in Bitcoin swing trade longs right now, just right now. So also another thing that could happen, and we have to be prepared for this, because if this happens and you are on the wrong side, you might get burnt out a little bit. So okay, price at the resistance. Let's open up the daily chart. Let's look for something that could happen. And so yeah, let me plot this Fibonacci, just a second. Okay, so back in history, let me show you what I really want to explain right here. So during the previous cycles, we did see rapid pullbacks, okay, such as this one. Now, you might say, yeah, well, this is a pretty small pullback. Yes, I agree. But did you look at the percentage of this pullback? Because this pullback was 36% push down. This is this is a little bit, you know, this is a lot, to be honest. It's a big pullback. Now let me show you. Oh, sorry, not here. Let me show you where these pullbacks were peaking. So this is the weekly chart. I'm going to put this moving average to a 21. Yeah, so what happened here, all these pullbacks almost hit the moving average. If this is going to happen once again, we might see, you know, let's say a pullback like this, a very fast one like this, and then a push up. But this pullback right here, which could get very close to the moving average. Okay, now this moving average would go a little bit higher. So if this actually happens, you know, and we see a pullback, because theoretically, I mean, theoretically, it's not a big deal. Okay, like it really doesn't change, you know, the trend. It's just look at it, a very small pullback when you look at it from a big time perspective, or sorry, from a high time frame. But if you look at this one in detail, it's an easy 40% push down. So an easy 40% discount in Bitcoin's price can happen anytime, okay, and get many people, you know, out of the market, to be honest, because they would sell. They think price is crashing, but what would happen is it would fall very fast down. People would think it's a crash, even though it went up very fast, or as fast as it's going to go down, you know, to touch the moving average and then and then push higher. People would still, you know, people would really freak out, exit, and yeah, price pushes higher. So something very important to be prepared of. Sorry, to be prepared for. Like always be prepared for any time. You know, anytime we could see this kind of rapid push down, just like it happened here. Rapid push down, and then we see a bounce. But this push down might really affect you. Okay, it's a 40%, 40% push down. It's not a small deal, to be honest. Like, it's not easy. Okay. Also, I wouldn't recommend shorting. I think this platform just crashed. Let's see. Going to open it once again. Okay, so looking at, yeah, this is very cringe, to be honest. This platform crashing, this is very cringe. Okay, so another topic, another coin that I want to discuss, XRP. So I know it has been lagging behind a lot. Okay, right now, you know, let's just stop this one. Sorry for this technical issue, but I mean, I don't know why this platform is always lagging right now. Maybe because there is a lot of traffic to it. So, as I said, I am interested in Ethereum longs. So let's do a quick recap of what I said here. So right now, not so interested in Bitcoin longs. Interested in day trading Ethereum longs a lot. And if I get a pullback, I'm going into spot immediately. Uh, One thing to look for is this. Let's see if this one pulls back to, oh, perfect. So take a look at this. We can easily, start the weekend bearish, tap the 0382, which is at $812. But I mean, just look at this. It really does not affect the uptrend. What I'm trying to say here, a big pullback will happen anytime. But this is not the important thing. The important thing is to buy when that pullback happens. Because I know many will not buy. They will really be scared and will not buy that pullback. So have some USD ready, and also in my opinion, don't try to time the high. When you get weakness, you can short. So just for me to not make this video long and cringe, Ethereum, I talked about it. I talked about BTC. Let's talk about XRP, which is down a lot. And yeah, what I would like to see for more upside potential. So right now, the 4-hourly is looking nice. The 4-hourly is really looking nice. We had, a lot of pressure, but somehow price, chilled and stopped moving down, peaked at a very important monthly. What I would like to see this level reclaimed, 0.34, give or take, reclaimed. We're forming some kind of an ascending triangle, to be honest. So what could happen? Yeah, a push like this, some consolidation around here, and then quick snap up. This is something that can easily happen here with XRP, and give us, what I want to see, price above this monthly. This will give me, this will show me that we are reclaiming resistance. Okay, because this monthly is a resistance, and as you can see, we did reject from this resistance many times. Okay, here once, twice, and this is the third time. If we reclaim it, then this will change the market structure. Then we are starting a new uptrend, to say so. So yeah, very important and very key level to be broken. This one. Reclaim this level, and this will give me much more confidence, and it could be the bottom for XRP. But yeah, right now I think I talked about everything that I really wanted to talk about. Bitcoin and why I think money will go into altcoins. Yeah, one more thing, Ethereum. So today's price action is a leading indicator for altcoins. And what I'm going to say is the following. So take a look at Ethereum on the weekly chart. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum here on the weekly chart. Look at this accumulation right here that we had and how we're going up. Compare this chart, let's say, to Litecoin. Litecoin, same pattern, okay, but we're still lagging behind Ethereum. Litecoin is still lagging behind Ethereum. Neo, for example, same pattern, but severely lagging behind Ethereum. What's more, basic, what a huge accumulation this has been. Okay, all you really want to see a break above this 0.40, and I think sky is the limit for this one. So yeah, also very important thing to look for here. Look how down altcoins are, and they really didn't even start moving. XTZ, for example, okay, also down. Bitcoin up. Guess what? Money gets out of Bitcoin, enters into enters into altcoins, and we start pushing higher. This is my theory. Link, wow, Link is, wow, what a rejection of the downside. Also this one, I'm going to add this one to my day trading list, also to my, interested in longs actually on Chainlink. This could easily break this all-time high. What an insane altcoin. EOS also severely lagging behind. Okay, like severely lagging behind. BNB, yeah, this coin is actually the strongest. Not really the strongest, but this is looking very strong right now, breaking all-time highs. This has been a strong coin, even throughout the bear market. We did see BNB, really pushing up. XLM, not really interested in this one, as I don't really trade or invest in this project. DOT, wow, yeah, this is this is really insane. So you got my point. I'm interested in altcoins, and yeah, I'm actually very interested in altcoins, and not so much in Bitcoin right now, just because of the Bitcoin dominance. Once again at all-time highs, looking for this one to go down. Okay, looking for the Bitcoin dominance to go down. Money gets into altcoins, and we see a pump. So let's screenshot this one. Money goes into altcoins. Yeah, this is the this is everything I really wanted to talk about today. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry if this is a very long video and with some technical issues, but yeah, I really wanted to cover everything that I'm looking at right now. So yeah, have a nice week that's going to come, and yeah, let's kill and let's actually crash these markets and make money. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good evening. Cheers and bye bye.